Hi, we're Andy and Shell, turning our wanderlust into reality. On our channel, we share real travel and cruising experiences to help you explore the world with confidence. So if you're over 50 years of age, like us, why not come along and follow our adventures?
And today we're checking out the Ibis Styles London Heathrow.
Okay, we're at the Ibis Styles at London Heathrow and we're in a standard room 306, and I just wanted to show you this so you can get an idea. It is a budget option when you're coming to London, particularly if you have to stay for some kind of transiting purposes. So I will show you the room. As you can see, it's not huge. So it has a bath, like a shower, a bathroom, I was going to say, with a shower, handheld. We have used it, so excuse the towels, etc. Toilet, just some standard amenities such as shampoo, conditioner in a bottle together, and also hand body wash in bottle. Same over here. We didn't receive any kind of other amenities such as toothbrushes or anything like that. Coming over to here, there's TV, little desk, and then your bed. So you can see it's quite compact, but as I said, if you're transiting, you don't want to spend a lot of money and you just need somewhere to put your head down, it's an option. You receive water, there's a kettle, tea bags, cups, etc., and some milk there if you want to make a cuppa. And I'm just going to kind of count the steps out for you so you can get an idea. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 kind of good steps wide or long. Long or wide am I? Long. I'm jet lagged. Yeah, so anyway, that is the room here at the Ibis Styles.
Okay, so now we're downstairs, and as you can see, here's the foyer, reception, the bar area, and also the dining areas of this. Well, that wraps up our Ibis Styles Heathrow room tour. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. It really helps more travellers find our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.